In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tasks and lists in ClickUp. To get started, open ClickUp and go to Home. From there, select the space where you want to create your new list. Spaces are useful for organizing work by team, department or project type, so choosing the right one at the beginning helps keep everything structured and easy to find later. Once you're in the correct space, hover over the space itself or over a folder, depending on where you want this new list to live. You'll see a plus icon appear. Click that plus icon to open the creation menu. This is where ClickUp lets you add new items within your workspace. From the menu, choose List. A list is a great option when you want to group related tasks together in one place, whether that's for a project, a process, or a simple to-do collection. Next, enter a name for your list. Try to choose a clear and specific name so it's easy to recognize at a glance. While you're here, you can also customize the list if needed. For example, you may want to adjust task statuses, set privacy options, or apply a template if you already have a workflow you like to reuse. These options can save time and make your setup more consistent. After that, click Create. Your new list is now ready. To begin working inside it, select the list from the left sidebar. This will open it so you can start adding tasks. At the bottom of the list, click Add Task. This creates a new task entry. Type in the task name first. Keep it short but descriptive so anyone looking at the list can quickly understand what needs to be done. Once the task name is in place, you can add more details if needed. This is where ClickUp becomes especially helpful for staying organized. You can assign the task to someone, set a due date, choose a priority level, and add a description or any other relevant details. Filling these in right away can make task management much smoother, especially when multiple people are involved. When everything looks good, press Enter or click Create Task to save it. Your task will now appear in the list. If you need to add more tasks, simply click Add Task again and repeat the same process. Over time, this helps you build a clear, actionable list that keeps your work organized and easy to track. Thanks for watching.